This is the first time I've been able to record a video of me sneezing for a long time. I did start sneezing about 30 seconds ago. Yeah, I think I'm back. As you all know, we had 9 puppies. We had 9 puppies, all healthy. We had 5 girls and 4 boys, and the names are Buddy, Bono, and Busy. And we had Fleur, Flint, and Floris. And we had Joy, Luna, and Yup. And we all keep in contact with a chat, a messenger chat, and our Facebook group. Charlie and Menno and their 9 puppies is the group if you want to join, to see how they all grow up with their new owners. I'm still sneezing. I'm trying to talk and stop sneezing, but I can't stop sneezing. Oh. Well, it's April the 19th, I think, today. It's Wednesday. And it's been really, really hot today. It's been 22 degrees C. And tomorrow it's going to be hotter. It's going to be 25 or maybe more. Anyway, I think my sneeze is finished. I don't know, I keep looking there. Why do I keep looking there? I should be looking there, shouldn't I? I should be looking at this part here, don't I? The camera. That's there. I have to get used to it again, looking at the camera and filming. So. See, why is it recording me like this? I don't know. I should be looking at the camera, so. I don't know. So, where's the camera? There? There? Anyway, folks. Love you all. Bye.